When was the last time you moved your body with awe? Let's simply move for 10 minutes today. Nice low impact movements. We are going to build strength, mobility, balance, all the good things you're looking for in a movement session. But more importantly, we're just going to move our bodies with this curiosity and awe. Just start swinging the arms, gentle twist in the back. Let's heat up our bodies. Start to build some real energy for the day. And just every movement, the simplest of movements, we are going to reframe the way we look at it as just ah. No pressure. No need to get anywhere. Just the sense of wow, I get to move my body today. See what kind of energy that can build. Maybe start to twist a little bit deeper. Oh, feel that in the back, in your spine. Really starting to wake up the body. Energy's flowing. That's what we're working on here. Inner energy. A mindset of a youthful young person. So we stay young and physically active until we're 100 plus. Okay. Bring the knee up and twist. Wow, I can lift my leg. I can twist my body. Wow. See if we can release some endorphins in our session, boost our mood, bring incredible energy. Maybe you're just starting off today, just the slightest little movement. You just do what works for you, but do it with awe today. No concern with, oh, am I building strength, balance? We're doing all those things every day we show up. But what if our movements were done? Wow. So we climb the stairs. Wow, I get to lift my leg up onto a step, and then the next one, and the next. Glory. Okay, let's build a little balance here, but real presence, as simple as it gets. Simple, not necessarily easy if you have a chair nearby. Maybe you want something to help. Just one leg, and let's circle the ankle. Let's build some lovely ankle mobility, but bring all our presence into our ankle. How often do we think about our ankle? Appreciate it, show it gratitude. Wow, thanks for showing up, ankle. You're very useful to me. Reverse the circle. Just do your best to keep your balance. If you stumble and you fall, wow, I get to start over again. Let's go to the other leg. Woo, yeah. Playful skip. Let's keep that childlike quality. Children see the world with awe and wonder. Why don't we as well? Just nice big circle. Gauging your core, helping with the balance. Again, if you need something to assist you, glorious. Use it when you need it. Back off when you can. Reverse the circle. Okay. Let's keep with the ankle mobility for a moment. Again, a real mindful, slow movement. So, step back onto the top of your foot and push down for the ankle mobility. You're gonna feel that in your ankle. Swing the arm slowly. Real presence. Head up. Wow. Ah, awesome. Bring your attention back to that. The mind wanders. Oh, I'm bored. Oh, when's this gonna be over? What's next? No. This moment, no matter what it is awesome. Breathe into it. Last one. Let's shake. Build real circulation. Just feel your entire body, that energy flowing through you right now. It's pretty incredible, actually. We start to pay attention to the littlest of things, and wow, life is pretty exciting. Side lunge, back and forth, just nice and easy. And just gently move your hands as well. And push out a little bit. Just do what you can here. But just feel that strength in your arms, in your legs. And wow. Maybe you get a little bit deeper. We show up every day for 10 minutes or so to boost our mood, elevate our energy, and really to inspire more movement throughout our day. We're gonna get into zone 2 training in a bit, things that are really gonna add to our longevity. But what if we bring real presence and start our day off with this sense of wonder and awe, genuine curiosity for what might unfold, curiosity for what our bodies can do, curiosity for what they can't do. All right. Whew. Real nice athletic stance. Arms in front. Just reach one arm back at a time. Wow. I can reach my arm back. Maybe your arm only goes to here. Then wow to that. Sink down a little bit. Feel the strength in your legs. Wow, I can squat down. Let's do the things that turn us on, that fill us with joy, with energy. The simplest of movements can do that. Just bringing a mindset of wonder. Wow, look at this. Wow. Let's go both arms at the same time now. Really open the body and stand tall. Come down, stand tall, head up high. Bring your breath, connect the breath to the movement now. Breathe in and out, in and out. Oh, we got some beautiful wind today. See, when you change the way you look at things, we're riding our bikes into a heavy wind last night coming back from my son's rugby practice. He's 6. I said, wow, is it ever windy? Hey, buddy? He goes, it's just air pushing us, Dad. You're right, my boy. You are right. Just air pushing us. How wonderful. Oh, let's do one more here. Okay, let's really get the back involved. Same sort of athletic stance. Gonna punch down and reach the other arm back. You squat, bend the back. See if we can't get to a nice flat back. But again, maybe this is the move for you. But make a fist. Squeeze your hand together. And notice, wow, I get to make a fist. How good does that feel? Reach it back. Full body movement here. Wow. Maybe we go a little bit of pace. Ooh, I get to raise the beating of my heart. Wow. Thank you, heart. Last one here. Oh, yes. Oh, let's finish. Swing your arms. March. Spread your fingertips out nice and wide. How much do we take going for a walk, being able to walk for granted? The superpower that is, the amazing movement that is. Think of like what we're doing right now. How long would it take them to build a robot that could do this? We're incredibly complicated, intricate beings. Oh, wow, I get to move. Let's just swing those arms. Pick up the knees a little higher. Let's go with a bit of pace. Head up high, real integrity. Wow. Just feel it, feel that energy when you start to really move with awe. There's a tingling in your spine. This is incredible. Look, we're doing the most simple of things, but how amazing it can be. We bring true presence into it. Oh, yes. That is it for today. Oh, I feel amazing. A little much maybe, hey? I don't know. Let's just take a moment. Just feel the beating of your heart. Let's bring awe into that. We don't beat our heart, it just does it on its own. How incredible. The longest lived people, they generally have a real sense of curiosity. That's something every day. Let's go out and be curious today. Curious with people who we don't agree with. Maybe they like a politician or political party that maybe we don't align with. Oh, tell me more, why do you like them? With curiosity. Curiosity about the way our body moves. Just a genuine curiosity and wonder. Go take this sense of awe and wonder throughout your entire day. Be curious, be playful, be youthful. I'm truly grateful for you. Let me know how this went. Every comment does. It helps us to build the community, brings more people like you here so that we can continue to get stronger, more mobile, and see movement with awe. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.